Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. It is wonderful to see you again. I am Sara.
And I am Jack. Our mission is to help you speak English naturally, confidently, and without stress.
If you are new here, welcome to our friendly community.
Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps us create more videos for you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Today, we are going to talk about prepositions, specifically in and at.
Students always ask, Sara, am I in the restaurant or at the restaurant? Am I in school or at school?
And time is confusing too. Do we say in 5 o'clock or at 5 o'clock? In night or at night?
It is confusing because there is no perfect logic, but today we will give you clear rules, easy tricks, and lots of practice examples. We will talk about time and place.
So, get your notebooks ready. Let's start with part 1, time.
Okay, for time, think of a pyramid. At is for very specific times, like looking at a clock. In is for long periods of time, like months, years, and seasons.
Let's practice at for time. We use it for precise hours. At 5 p.m., at 30:30, at midnight, at noon.
Also, for holiday periods, we say at Christmas or at Easter. So if I ask you, when is the meeting, you say at 2 p.m.
Now let's talk about in for time. This is for longer periods. First, months. In July, in September, in December.
Second, years. In 1990, in 2024, in the 21st century.
Third, seasons. In summer, in winter, in spring.
So remember the difference. At 5 o'clock, short, specific. In July, long, general.
But Sara, there's a big trap here. The parts of the day. This confuses everyone.
Yes, listen carefully. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but we say at night.
This is the most common mistake. Never say in the night. Always at night. But for morning, afternoon, evening, use in.
Okay, that was time. Now let's move to part 2, places. This is where it gets tricky.
For places, think about containers versus points. We use in when we are inside a 3D space, like a box, a room, or a country. You are surrounded by it.
Examples of in. In the kitchen, it's a room. In the box. In the car. In London, cities are big areas. In France, countries are big areas.
Exactly. If you are inside the borders, you are in. Now, we use at for a specific point or location. We are thinking about the function of the place, not the building.
For example, at the bus stop. It's a point on the street. At the door. At the entrance. At the traffic light.
And here's the nuance. If you say, I am at the cinema, it means you are there to watch a movie. It's a general location. If you say, I am in the cinema, it emphasizes that you are physically inside the building.
Usually, at is more common for public places. At the airport, at the station, at the library, at the doctor's.
And one final tip for group events. If there are many people, we use at.
At a party, at a concert, at a conference, at a meeting, at a wedding.
Wow, that is a lot of rules. Let's make it real. Let's do a role play. In this conversation, I am inviting Sara to an event. Listen for in and at.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, Sara. Are you busy at the moment?
Hi, Jack. A little bit. I'm at work right now. I'm sitting in a boring meeting.
Oh, sorry. I wanted to ask if you are free in the evening.
Yes, I finish work at 6 p.m. Why?
There's a great concert at the city park. It starts at 7:30.
That sounds fun. Who's playing?
A jazz band. They were famous in the 90s.
I love jazz. Okay, let's meet at the entrance of the park.
Perfect. I'll be there at 7:15. Do you want to get dinner at a restaurant afterwards?
Maybe, or we can just grab a coffee in the cafe across the street.
Great. See you in a few hours. End of role play.
Did you hear all the prepositions? At work, in a meeting, in the evening, at 6 p.m., at the park, in the 90s, at the entrance.
It becomes natural with practice. But wait, I have another tricky question. What about addresses?
Oh, good one. If you just say the street name, use on. I live on Main Street. But if you have the specific number, use at. I live at 45 Main Street.
So, specific number is at, just street is on, general city is in. I live at 10 Downing Street in London.
Exactly. Now, Jack, I think our listeners are ready for the mega quiz.
Yes, today we have 15 questions. This is a big one. I will say a phrase and you have to shout in or at.
We will give you 3 seconds to think. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Ready? Number 1. 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock.
Number 2. July. In July.
Number 3. The morning. In the morning.
Number 4. Night. At night. Remember the exception.
Number 5. Home. At home.
Number 6. The kitchen. In the kitchen.
Number 7. 2025. In 2025.
Number 8. The bus stop. At the bus stop.
Number 9. Winter. In winter.
Number 10. Work. At work.
Number 11. A party. At a party.
Number 12. Paris. In Paris.
Number 13. The weekend. UK English usually says at. US English says on. But let's stick to at for now.
Number 14. The car. In the car.
And number 15. Christmas. At Christmas.
Phew, that was a long quiz. How did you do? Did you get 15 out of 15?
If you did, you are a preposition master.
If not, just listen to the rules again.
Now it is time for the question of the day.
Today, we want you to practice both. Tell us, where are you usually at 8 p.m.?
For example, at 8 p.m., I am usually at home, watching TV in the living room.
Or, at 8 p.m., I am still at work.
Write your sentence in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
Thank you for studying with us today. Prepositions are hard, but you are doing a great job.
If this lesson was helpful,
Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
your support means everything to us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.